Question number 1D, HCF of 24, 60 and 140. So when we have the three numbers, that time we have to find prime factors of all the three numbers. First of all, we will find prime factors of 24. So how to find the prime factor of 24? You see the ones place. If even, then definitely it will be divisible with 2. In the table of 2, this you will see the first digit now. First digit is coming 1 times and 4 is coming 2 times. After this, again we have 12. We will solve it with 2, 6 times. Then 6 again with 2, 3 times. Become prime number, then 1 time. After this, we will find the prime factors of 60. We have 0, that is even. So it will be solved with 2. In the table of 2, 6 comes 3 times and then 0. Again in the table of 2, 3 will not come, but 2 1 times, 2 will come. Where will this 1 go? Shift towards 0. It will become 10 and 2 5s are 10. We have here 15. In the table of 2, 15 cannot divide. So 3, it will come 5 times. Then 5, 1 times. 140 we have to write the factors. We will solve it with 2. 7 times 14, 0. Then again 2, 3 times 6. 1 will shift towards this. 2 5s are 10. Now 35 will not be solved with 2 and it will not be solved with 3 also. Why? Because 5 plus 3 is 8, which is not coming in the table of 3. It will solve with 5 times. In the table of 5, how many times? 7 times. Now 7, 1 times. This is your prime factor of 24, 60 and 140. After this, we will write the prime factors separately. Like this, I have written the prime factors of 24. Then 60, what are the prime factors? We'll write that also. What are the prime factors of 140? We will write those factors also. Now we have to see the common factors. How do we write the common factors when we have three numbers? It is very important to pay attention that if the factor is there in all three of them, then only it will be the common factor. Any factor, if it is there in all three of them, then only it will be the common factor, keep in mind. Then we have this another 2 as common. After this, we have 3, but this 3 is there in 2 number only. 3 we do not have in 140 is prime factor. So 3 will not be considered as prime factor. Okay. Then we have 5 also, but 5 also you can see is there in 60 and 140 only. 5 is not there in 24. It will also not be considered as the common factor. So all these numbers we are not required to write here. Then 2 2s are 4 is your HCF. Why have I taken only 2 and 2? Because 2 is the only number which is there in all three of them. When we have the factors only in 2 numbers, not in the third one, then it will not be considered as the common prime factor.